Imagine a world where owning a home doesn't require a lifetime of debt. A world where you could buy a house for less than the price of a used car, assemble it in under an hour, and live completely off the grid. Sounds like a utopian fantasy? Not anymore. Elon Musk, the man who brought us electric cars and rockets to Mars, is now tackling one of humanity's oldest problems: shelter. Here is a $10,000 foldable home that's about to turn the housing market upside down. Let's start with the basics. Housing is broken. Prices are soaring, cities are overcrowded, and millions struggle to find safe, affordable places to live. Traditional construction is slow, expensive, and wasteful. But Musk's home is fast, efficient, and affordable. A house that ships in a box and costs less than a luxury vacation. This isn't a concept or a prototype. Musk's company, Boxable, has already started rolling out these homes, and they're selling fast. So what's the big deal? Let's unbox this revolution. The Boxable house is a 375 square foot modular unit that arrives flat packed like furniture from IKEA, but unlike IKEA, you don't need a toolbox or a PhD in instruction manuals. With a small crew, the house can be unfolded and assembled in less than 1 hour. No joke. The walls, roof, and floor are prefabricated in a factory, slashing construction time from months to minutes. But it's not just about speed. The Boxable house is built to last. The steel frame can withstand hurricanes, earthquakes, and heavy snow. The walls use advanced insulation that keeps the house cool in summer and warm in winter, cutting energy bills by up to 50%. It's also designed to work with Tesla's solar panels and Powerwall. Imagine a home that pays you by selling excess energy back to the grid. Now let's talk about the $10,000 price. That's less than some people spend on a wedding ring. How is this possible? Traditional homes are built on site, which means paying for labor, materials, permits, and delays. Boxable cuts those costs by building homes in a factory. Think of it like a car assembly line. Efficient, scalable, and waste-free. By standardizing the process, Boxable can mass-produce these homes at a fraction of the cost. But wait, there's more. The Boxable isn't just a standalone tiny home, it's modular. Its flexibility makes it perfect for everyone from solo adventurers to growing families. And because it's portable, you can literally pick up your house and move it across the country. Try that with a brick-and-mortar home. Musk isn't just selling a product, he's selling a vision. A vision where housing is a right, not a privilege. Where communities can rebuild after disasters in days, not years. Where you can live debt-free in a sustainable, high-tech home.
Before moving further, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly subscribe to it now.
But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Is this too good to be true? Like any moonshot, the Boxable house faces hurdles. Zoning laws, for one. Many cities have strict rules about minimum home sizes, foundations, and utilities. Some places won't allow modular homes in certain neighborhoods. Then, there's the tiny home stigma. Critics argue these houses are cramped or temporary. But Musk is ready to fight back. He's been living in a Boxable prototype near SpaceX's Texas launch site, proving it's not just livable, it's luxurious. And let's not forget the environmental impact. Construction is one of the biggest polluters, contributing to 40% of global CO2 emissions. Traditional homes guzzle resources like lumber, concrete, and steel. Boxable's factory approach reduces waste by 90%, plus the energy-efficient design means lower carbon footprints for homeowners. For a generation obsessed with sustainability, this could be the ultimate selling point. Musk's long-term goal is to make humanity multi-planetary, and a foldable, durable home is a logical step. But let's focus on Earth first. In Austin, Texas, a pilot project is already using Boxable homes to house low-income families. In rural Alaska, where building costs can hit $5 lakh, these $10,000 homes are a lifeline. The applications are endless. If Boxable succeeds, it could force the entire housing industry to innovate. Imagine a future where developers compete to build cheaper, greener, smarter homes. Where cities relax zoning laws to allow modular communities, where the dream of homeownership isn't a distant fantasy, but a weekend project. Can Boxable scale production fast enough? And will people actually want to live in a foldable house? Musk's track record suggests betting against him is risky. Tesla and SpaceX were laughed at too, until they dominated their industries. The boxable house isn't just a product, it's a protest against a broken system, a middle finger to bloated home prices, a proof that innovation can solve even the oldest problems. Will it fix the housing crisis overnight? No, but it's a start. And in a world where the average home costs $350,000, a $10,000 house isn't just affordable, it's revolutionary. Elon Musk didn't just build a house, he built hope. And for millions, that's priceless. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.